Established in 1984 and headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, EWI is the leading engineering and technology organization in North America dedicated to advanced materials joining and allied technologies. As an independent, member-based, not-for-profit organization, EWI is able to serve as an honest broker to advance the state of manufacturing across all industries and regions, providing applied research, manufacturing support, and strategic services to companies worldwide. With deep expertise in joining, forming, modeling, designing, and testing, EWI is one of the few organizations in the country that can both develop and deploy new technologies to successfully help companies bridge the gap between research and manufacturing implementation.
The thing I like best about working at EWI is we have a lot of great customers and we've got a lot of great associates who love to help the customer be more successful. So innovation, a lot of activity, a lot of creativity, and we're all optimists here. We think we can make a better future.